we are continuing to conduct those operations. Kasim.
General, thank you. I have a few questions from last week. Your partner SDF made a statement that 2 of their helicopters carrying their members to northern Iraq crashed in northern Iraq, and the statement said they were on a training exchange mission. What role the U.S. military did U.S. military play in this so-called exchange of training in northern Iraq? And also, were any of the funds provided by the United States used in that mission?
Yeah, thanks. I know we talked about this earlier, but I'm happy to answer it again here in front of your colleagues. So again, the United States had nothing, no participation whatsoever in the SDF helicopter flights. As you know, the SDF is its own force. They conduct their own operations. We do partner with the SDF on defeat ISIS operations regularly, but again, there was no U.S. or coalition involvement in the helicopter incident, nor do we have any knowledge either before that mission took place.
And just to follow up on that, so you say you don't have any knowledge and you were not involved, but you know, United States is training this force. United States is equipping this force. How confident are you that this capability is provided by the United States, the funds provided by the United States, are not going to be used by this group against your NATO ally Turkey in the future?
Again, the SDF has been a very valuable partner in confronting ISIS, and will continue to partner with SDF to confront and defeat ISIS in an enduring way. We train a lot of forces around the world, many of which conduct their own operations. But again, in this case, we will, you know, again, we had no involvement, no participation. I'm not sure how else you'd like me to say that, other than just to keep repeating.
I'm just wondering if you have any concerns, or how confident are you that this group getting into Iraq, coming back into Syria, and is being trained?
Yeah, I'll allow the SDF to speak for themselves, but thanks, Kasim. Liz?